Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. Now, Roper is the surname. This machine is built by Whirlpool, and so are all the other brands like Admiral and Amana. Those are all built by Whirlpool now. So just kind of depends on what big box store you go buy it at as to what little surname you're gonna get. Just want to throw that out there because some people get confused by the surnames on those. However, they're all built by Whirlpool now. This machine here is in excellent condition. I've got it set up, running here. You can control the water level on this one, which is great. It is a heavy duty super capacity plus. You've got 4 temperature controls, tons of options here on the actual timer. So you've got delicates, your normal kind of heavy duty here, and then whatever permanent press is. I guess some other form of slightly on the delicate side. Right now it's filling up with water. I've got it filled up with pretty heavy jeans, towels, jackets, some shirts in there. Pretty heavy load. You get to see how it operates with that load in there. Kind of as if you're standing here yourself testing it out. I've also quickly bypassed the lid switch on this, which I will undo as soon as we're done testing. But for the purpose of testing, I do that if I can, just so you can see what's going on under the hood, because I'd like to show you here that it fills all the way up with water, agitates like it's supposed to, drains the water out like it's supposed to, and then has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Those are all things that I would look for if I were purchasing. So I show those off in my videos with everything that I sell. So once this is all done, we'll move over to the dryer and I'll kind of show you how that all works and show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll let this go ahead and finish filling up with water. It's getting there. I'll show you the full submersion on it and we'll let it kind of do its thing. All right, we filled all the way up with water. Hear that agitator, obviously see it, doing an excellent job, kind of vortexing those clothes down along the bottom fins. And then they come back up on the outsides. Does an excellent job getting these clothes nice and clean. And we're moving through the wash cycle. Rinse starts somewhere right in here. So we'll come back for that as it drains the water out. Okay, moving out of the wash cycle now. See, it's full. Paused momentarily. Here in just a second. There it goes. Drain all that water out. Now, if you were to lift this lid up with the lid switch inside, it would stop the machine. You really don't want to do that. It's a safety feature that keeps it from spinning. However, it can interrupt this cycle here where it's not spinning, draining the water out, and then it'll kick over and spin to get the rest of the water out. So really best recommendation is some of the newer machines will actually lock the lid so you can't open it. These machines will allow you to open the lid after it's started, which is great if you want to throw an extra couple pieces of clothing in as it's filling up with water. However, once it's past that, it's really more of a safety feature, and you don't want to open the lids what it says in the owner's manual. So a little tip there for you. But after I'm done filming this video, I'll put that lid switch back on, and then this will be good to go. If you lift this up, it'll shut the machine down. So I'm going to let it go ahead and fill back up with water. It'll agitate with that fresh, clean, rinsed water. Then it'll drain out from there, and then I'll come back and show you the final spin cycle. Okay, moving out of the rinse cycle, now into the final spin. It just did its draining, then it kicked over, and now it's starting to spin. As it spins, and the water extracts out of those clothes, it'll get faster and faster as it goes. Like I said, typically, right now, if you were to lift this up at home, this whole machine would shut down and the brakes would be closed. So it's kind of finishing, I guess, with a little bit of a final rinse. As you can see, it's spinning nice and fast. Let's get it up to speed. Sounds great. I'll kind of show you. It's nice. balanced, level, smooth operation. There we go. So that's the washer, guys. I'm gonna let it finish getting all the water extracted out of those clothes. Then we're gonna move those clothes over to the dryer. Show off the dryer. All right, the washer is done. We've got those clothes pulled out here, so that is good to go. We'll move over here to the electric dryer. Yep. Here again, different surname, Admiral, also a surname of Whirlpool. So I've got it running, time dry, high heat. You've got a no heat, air dry for your really delicate items, automatic low dry or low heat, also for delicates. And then you've got an automatic high heat where you can just kind of set it and forget it, and it kind of does its own thing. Wrinkle Prevent is pretty cool too, where it kicks on and off in 5 to 10 minute intervals, and that way, you know, you could throw some stuff in and hit it, jump in the shower, that kind of thing, and it's going to keep your clothes from getting wrinkled. Kind of a refresh is what that is. Pretty neat. You've got your Lint Trap on top here, and I'm going to show you with my temperature gun here that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's telling us about 74 degrees on the top of this dryer here. You know, if I shine it on the floor, 64 degrees on the floor. So go ahead and open this up. You can see those clothes are tumbling right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 up to 195, excuse me. It just kind of depends on how long it's been running, what you have the heat setting on, all that. So it's going to push that huge capacity on this dryer as well. As you can see in here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. That's going to be it for these guys. We'll go ahead and let this finish up. I'll get the pictures and the sale ad and everything all thrown up and listed for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and you guys have a great day.